Welcome to this guided meditation session focused on using affirmations to come back to the present moment. Relax your body in a position that feels comfortable to you, and if it feels good, softly close your eyes. Bring your awareness to the present moment. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling the air fill your lungs, and exhale slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension or stress. Notice the sensation of your breath as it enters and leaves your body. Feel the rise and fall of your chest with each inhale and exhale. As you continue to breathe deeply and rhythmically, feel the weight of your body sinking into the surface beneath you. Let your muscles soften and let go of any tightness or discomfort. Now, we will begin our affirmations. Repeat each affirmation silently to yourself or out loud, allowing each of them to serve as a reminder that you are fully present in this moment. Let's begin. There is no past or future, only the present moment. My breath anchors me to the present moment. I am fully present in all that I do. The sensations in my body connect me to the here and now. I choose inner peace in this moment. This moment is filled with infinite possibilities. I embrace the beauty and joy that surrounds me. In this moment, I am fully alive. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. Take a moment to breathe deeply and absorb the energy of these affirmations. Feel them resonating within you, anchoring you firmly in the present moment. In this moment, express gratitude to yourself for pausing amidst the busyness of your day to ground and return to the present, prioritizing mindfulness for your well-being. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the space around you. If you're enjoying these meditations, please consider subscribing, sharing with someone who would benefit, and leaving a review. Thank you for joining me in this meditation.